See how that sauce is like almost dried up? Okay, the chicken is ready. Yep. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna Diana this. I love Diana sauce on barbecue chicken. Okay, I don't have limits. Okay, that's my limit. Again, guys, I don't measure, so don't expect me to be giving you how much I put. I just put. Okay, that's gonna look, and I'm gonna let it dry down again. See, growing up again in the kitchen, my mom would be like, put it this much, that much, until the day you had to do it, and boom. Ah, there you go. So while that is simmering, we're gonna just chat a little bit. Never mind the sink, guys. Everything's gonna be washed in a second. Okay, let's not focus on it. Oh, yes. So I hope everybody is good, everybody's healthy, everybody's family is healthy, and that you guys are just having a really, really great, fantastic week. And for some of you, summer's coming and you have a lot of free time. Some of you are going to be super busy. So whatever you do, just make sure you have fun doing it and you stay healthy, guys. That's the most important thing. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and just whatever you're doing, just do your best at it. Because at the end of the day, health before wealth is always important. So you want to make sure that you keep fit and healthy and do everything that you can to sustain yourself at the same time. Don't let the summer pass you by and not do anything, because we had a very long winter, guys. And for one, I can't wait for spring to blossom and all that good bees and honeys and birds chirping everywhere and all that stuff. The heat, well, the heat will be the heat. I'm an island girl, so you know I'll take it as it comes, but hopefully it's not too hot. Stay hydrated. Last year, I stayed hydrated by drinking a lot of coconut water. I'm not in the island, so I can't go pick it off a tree like some people. So I just have to buy it in a can, guys. To this moment, I still have, you know what? I'm hot, so I might as well cool me down. So this is my coconut water, guys. Yeah, this is what you have to do when you're in North America and you can't go pick it off a tree. Now, when I go back home, God help the trees of any kind of fruit, especially this one. This one has the coconut bits inside, which I love to crunch on. And it's nice and cold. So last summer, this was my best friend. It was on sale, 99 cents for one can. And I think I got like 2 cases. The next time I got another 2 cases. And it didn't even last, guys. Like, I was drinking this thing like it was out of style because I was so hot. And because it was so cold, it cooled me down. So this summer, I'm hoping that they have sale for 99 cents again. So Grace, since I'm using all your products, you could sponsor me some coconut water. You could sponsor me some coconut milk. Find me, food-farrell. It's the only food-farrell. Come now. The one and only. Sponsor me. I will drink your product. I'm already like saying what I would do with your product, and I'm not even. Grace, find me. Okay, guys, enough of that. Babble gets nothing done. Let's see what the pot's saying. All right. Woo. The pot is talking to you guys. Sticky chicken. That is it. That is it. You know the song said, "This is it." Na 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 na. Well, that is it, guys. Don't be surprised. It's gonna taste yummy. Guys, let me show you a close up what this thing looks like. Oh, you are missing that. Look at that. Look at that. That could be my thumbnail. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. You know you want some. Where is your plate, guys? Where is your plate? What? Guys, I'm gonna turn it off now because I don't want all the sauce to go. And then I'll show you the rice. This is the rice, guys. Doesn't that look wonderful? You think I was joking, eh?